Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating Unicode characters from their numbers, a comprehensive guide. Unicode is the universal character encoding standard that assigns a unique number, called a code point, to every character and symbol in most of the world's writing systems. Sometimes, you need to work with characters directly through their code points, either because the character isn't easily typable on your keyboard or because you're dynamically generating text based on numerical data. This tutorial will walk you through how to create Unicode characters from their numerical representations in various programming languages, covering the underlying concepts, best practices, and potential pitfalls. Understanding code points and character encoding. Before diving into the code, it's crucial to understand a few core concepts.